Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today, a little bit different to my usual Tuesday vlogs, but I am going to be sharing with you 4 outfits which I have created, and it was based on And Other Story tops, and I wanted to create 4 different outfits which would be really lovely for Valentine's, Galentine's, Palentimes, family times, and yeah, just wanted to use this Valentine's season to be a bit more creative, have a bit of fun with it, and for honest reasons, just want to get dressed up. I miss getting dressed up, so I wanted to have a bit of fun with it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into the video. So first up, I'm going to start with the star of the show. This is the first blouse. This is absolutely stunning, and I am so obsessed with how beautiful and timeless this shirt is. So it is obviously February at the moment, so it's still in our winter period, but this will be absolutely stunning as well for spring, summer. I just think it's so gorgeous. It is a little bit lightweight and a little bit transparent, as you can see. I don't think you can actually see, I've got a nude bra on, but it isn't actually that obvious. You can see through my top, but it's just that little bit cheeky, but it's absolutely beautiful, so lightweight, a really lovely fabric as well, and it has just got so many beautiful details and exaggeration to this top. So first off, we're going to talk about the collar. It is a very wonky collar. At first I was a little bit confused, but it's kind of like an offside collar, which makes it a little bit more different, exaggerated, a bit more character to it, and I absolutely love it. So it's got these beautiful frilly collars which start here, so you have got buttons which could button up really high up, or you could just leave it how I have, and I feel like that just looks quite lovely because you can see a little bit of collarbone, décolletage, and I think that looks very feminine and very pretty. And it is in this beautiful lilac blush, kind of like a dainty dip dye effect, like a really lovely wash, kind of like a nod to floral. You could kind of get the illusion of that, but it's this beautiful wash of like a lilac-y blush colour with white. I don't know if you can see it that much. Oh my god, it is snowing like mad outside. And it's got these beautiful sleeves. I don't know if you can see that properly, but it's got this beautiful thick ruche of fabric, and then it has this beautiful bellow sleeve and cuff, and I just think that looks so stunning. I think that looks so beautiful, and I just think it looks very smart but very pretty. So it is a bit of a mixture. You can wear this to work, you can wear it day to day, you can put this with a pair of jeans, or in the summer with a pair of shorts. I think that just looks so stunning. However, as I said, this is for Valentine's, so me and Helena are just having a lovely dinner in, and we are going to dress up because, you know, you might as well. So I've paired it with my Leather Look paper bag trousers from H&M, and I think this just looks really smart but really lovely, and kind of like an evening wear. Definitely could be an outfit for when everything goes back to normal, which you wear in the office and then going out after, which I'm so excited to say those words. Yeah, I just think it's such a lovely look. You could definitely pair it with some trainers as well. I've paired it with my famous ASOS mules that I absolutely adore. I love these mules so much, and they're really reasonable as well. These are ASOS design, and they are just so classic and just so easy to wear, really comfortable, and I feel very fab in them. Got a really little heel as well, and they're just so comfortable. That's how I've styled them, so like a little kitten heel, which I think would be just really nice to wear around the house. I want to wear heels, but I don't want to wear heels. Like, just like if I'm taking a photo, it'd be nice with some heels, and then I can just chuck on my slippers and carry on the night. But I just wanted to share with you how I would pair it all in all together. Lots of jewellery. Right now I'm wearing my Dauphine earrings, and you can put on a really nice lip colour like I have. I put on like a really nice like berry red, or you could do a big bright red, or like a natural nude like I'm wearing in the clip alongside me. Beautiful top. So in the size, I went for a size 36, European 36, and I'm a size 8, and I feel like it's a really lovely size. It's not oversized or it's not too small. It's kind of a good size to play around with tucking in, but also it looks really nice tucked out. But yeah, this is how I have styled it for Valentine's. So yeah, love this outfit. Absolutely adore how beautiful this top is. So next up is this cute And Other Stories oversized jacket. I just had to try this on because it is the cutest thing. It's this gorgeous bubblegum oversized shirt. So this is kind of a bit more of a casual wear outfit. Again, I've paired it with my leather trousers just to spice the outfit up, and I just feel like leather trousers kind of make an outfit be put together. And then I've just put on a basic t-shirt. I'm wearing my Kiwi Fashion Dior dupe t-shirt. I will leave her website down below. She's got some amazing dupe logo brand t-shirts, and they're really cute and just really lovely. And yeah, no, I thought this was just like a really lovely outfit paired with some trainers, just a bit of a obvious bright pink nod to Valentine's, but I just thought this was such a lovely jacket, a lovely pop of colour, which I think we all need to brighten up our day, and the quality is so stunning. And Other Stories do their oversized shirts so well and so beautifully. I definitely could have gone a size up, and I think I would. So I got this in a 36, I believe the size. You can see it on me here, it just goes below my bum, but for my preference I would actually go a little bit more oversized. I really love that oversized effect, and I think I would actually get more wear out of it. I would style it with some shorts and even wear it as a dress as well, buttoned up. I think like an oversized shirt, tanned legs and some heels or boots would look absolutely stunning in spring, summer. But yeah, I just thought this was a really lovely jacket to add to your collection. If you're missing that pop of colour, this is definitely one to invest into. The quality is beautiful, it's just so lovely, brightens up your day, and the colour is just stunning, and the material also is absolutely gorgeous. You can just literally see me, I'm so fluorescent right now, but I just think it's such a lovely outfit. Again, if you just want to add a little bit of red lipstick or anything for Valentine's Day, just to make that little extra effort, this is definitely the jacket for you. It is so beautiful. It's very much for casual wear, so you're going to get actually a lot of use out of it. If you are adoring this pop of pink, you can wear it from day to day, but maybe just a treat to yourself for Valentine's Day to get something really gorgeous is this beautiful pink oversized shirt. It's absolutely stunning. So yes, I really love this outfit. I'd pair it with some trainers, some sunglasses and my Chloe bag, and I just think they'll look really lovely. But again, like I said, a really lovely joyful nod to Valentine's Day. So next up is this beautiful cardigan. If you haven't followed me for a very long time, you will know that I'm very much into the cardigan trend. I just think it's just so versatile, and I feel like it just looks so much more put together and like feminine in comparison to just a large oversized jumper. It's still comfy, it's still oversized, but you're just showing a bit of the collars off, and I just think it looks so pretty and very sweet. So again, a lovely little nod to Valentine's. And Other Stories do their cardigans again so well, and I love their playful buttons. I believe they did this last year in a red, and I think they have restocked the red. However, they have brought it in this beautiful gorgeous cream colour, and I just absolutely love the fit of this cardigan. Like I was about to say, it's got these beautiful gold detail buttons. I think that just looks so lovely. So how I have paired this gorgeous cardigan is with some matching brown trousers, just to add to the neutral vibe, just to look really light and fresh and very different to my black jogger bottoms. And I just think this looks so lovely. If you're going to be at home like I am, then you are going to probably be in your comfies or be more lenient to your comfies, and I just think this is such a lovely outfit. I am wearing these trousers from River Island. If they're still available, I will leave them down below, but if they're not, I will find a similar pair as well. But just with a pair of slippers, a glass of champagne, I think this is just such a lovely outfit. Just lots of gold jewellery to match the gold buttons. So I got this cardigan in a size small, and I think it's a perfect size. And if you haven't invested into a cardigan and you are looking for one, then I definitely recommend this one. And Other Stories is absolutely incredible, gorgeous quality. I love the brand, and I just love the material. Super soft. I adore the bellow sleeves arm, and then it's got this thick cuff here, so it's going to just bring in, it's just really flattering. It just has this big bellow arms, and then it just flatters into the wrists with skinnier cuffs, and I just think it's such a lovely cardigan. I think it's so beautiful. Brightens up your day. If you're not really into colours and you're more into your neutral colours, then this cardigan is definitely for you. This can also be really lovely in the spring, summer. I'm just getting so excited for spring and summer. This would look really lovely with a little maxi dress or a pair of white jeans with some sandals, and also undone with a little body underneath. I think that would just look so beautiful. It's just such a gorgeous cardigan and has so many opportunities of ways of styling it. I just think it's so beautiful and it's absolutely stunning. Like I said, I am a size 8, UK 8, and I am 5'4", so if that helps with sizing references. Yeah, really pretty, really love this outfit, and definitely probably one of the outfits out of them all that I would be wearing, because it's a little bit dressed up, but again it's like really lovely and comfy. So yeah, really love this outfit. Okay, last but not least is kind of more of a sexier number. I've made it so it feels like very more going out than the other ones, but it is this beautiful ruched shirt. I don't know actually if you can see it, hopefully you'll be able to see it in the cutaway, but it is this beautiful, I feel like you can see it there, it's like this really lovely, kind of like a checked detailed, if you can see where they've put the hems, ruched top, and it is so beautiful. It just adds a little bit more character and detail to just a plain black bodycon top. It's this beautiful ruched shirt which is absolutely stunning, and I just think it's so elegant and just so different. I paired it with my black mini skirt from Zara just because it's just such a flattering skirt, and hopefully it is still available. However, I have seen it on another brand that I will leave down below. Hopefully, I say that now, hopefully it's down there. I will try my best to find a similar one, but I absolutely love this mini skirt. This was from Zara. I got it in the summer and I just can't take it off because it's just so handy and it's just super cute, and it's got really nice little cheeky slit. And as it's winter, I have paired it with some tights because, to be frank, we're all going to be at home, so I want to be super comfortable. But this is really lovely, a really nice ruched top with really nice comfy little cheeky skirt and some tights. If I was going out, and I am like trying so hard to put these with every outfit, but I would be pairing them with my rain boots from Chloe. I am so obsessed with these and just so desperate to get these out. I just think they're just so gorgeous, especially for this time of year. These are really lovely day to night boots. I've worn them a couple of times and they're just so comfortable, and they're not going to wear and tear because they're this incredible welly material, and I just love these so much. So just to make it a bit more less feminine, I've added some chunky heel boots. Then I'd wear it with an oversized blazer, a Chloe bag. I think I even actually wore some polka dot tights in the clip just to add a bit more texture and detail to a very like plain black outfit. But I just think it's really lovely, and actually, to be honest, my go-to is just to wear black when I'm going out, so this is a very real outfit. But I just think this top's so flattering, and you can pair this with even tracksuit bottoms, like a nice pair of grey or black tracksuit bottoms, or some jeans, or the leather trousers that I had in the previous outfits. It's just a very versatile top. Also as well, this would look really lovely if you had like a sleeveless grandad ribbed vest over the top, like just extra detail. But yeah, really love this top, and I think it'll be really lovely in the summer as well with a pair of black shorts. I'm so ready for summer. It is chucking it down with snow outside, which is beautiful, but it's like a blizzardy snow, which I'm not for. But yeah, that's how I would style this outfit. So yeah guys, that is it. I always want to make these hauls and unboxings and ways to styles short and sweet because I don't want to bombard you or overload you with loads of options of outfits. I feel like just keeping it short and sweet, you can kind of pick from the ones that you think is a bit more your style and even interpretate it to a little bit more of your style. As always, everything will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely Valentines, Galentines, family times, Palentines. I'm just going to repeat that because Valentine's is all about love, not just with a boyfriend or a girlfriend, but with your friends, your sisters, your brothers, your family. Just make the most out of it this year. There's not much going on this year, so you've got to have an excuse to have a bit of fun. So I am going to also leave some stories over on my Instagram of fun things you can do this weekend. So definitely come check me out on Instagram. Like I said, my Instagram handle will be down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. Send in so much love, and I will catch you later. Bye guys.